You want your clients to feel what Beyonce fans feel when she drops tickets. You want a line around the block. You want them whispering to their friends, I heard she's opening a new spot and I gotta get in. The world is full of people who like your content, but likes don't pay the bills. Passion does. Secret sauce number 1, identity lock-in, okay? People don't buy products. They buy alignment with the person they believe they're becoming, period, okay? If your offer doesn't help someone become a better version of themselves, it's just another line item on the budget spreadsheet, okay? Your product must look like a prophecy, not a purchase. Secret sauce number 2, anticipation as currency. You don't sell when you speak. Apple built a $1 billion launch off in silence and secrecy. What are you teasing that they can't Google about? If you spoil the surprise, you cheapen the sale. Secret sauce number 3, the movie trailer effect. Show just enough of your process to intrigue, not enough to satisfy. If your brand looks like a free seminar, they won't respect the premium. Build your brand like a blockbuster film. Hype, mystery, promise of transformation, something you just can't wait to see. Secret sauce number 4, emotional aftertaste. Logic that makes them pause. Emotion makes them purchase. What will your client feel 72 hours after buying? Will they feel elevated, seen, empowered? If your offer has no emotional residue, it won't last in their hearts or their mouths. And this is where word of mouth is everything. Secret sauce number 5, the audience mirror, okay? Boom. Your brand should reflect who your ideal client already believes they are, not who you're trying to convince them to become, okay? High-level clients want to be recognized, not rescued. Convincing is for closers. Mirroring is for masters. Secret sauce number 6, story to solution pathway. The story that hurt you once is the story that can help them now, but only if you shape it into a product pathway. Don't just tell them stories, translate them into a tool. That's what makes the Legacy Lab different. We help you package pain into a payment. Secret sauce number 7, product tension. A boring offer dies in silence. A great one lives in the tension. Give people FOMO and hope. Give people the FOMO and hope at the same time. Show them what happens if they act and what opens up when they do. Secret sauce number 8, premium psychology. High-ticket clients don't want cheap. They want certainty, clarity, and confidence. If you underprice your power, they question your credibility. Listen, the wrong price attracts the wrong fights. The right price attracts the right fate, right? Secret sauce number 9, authority by design. Your offer design should scream mastery without you saying a word. Even your Google Doc should look like it costs $10K to read. Everything speaks. If your landing page doesn't, everything speaks. If your landing page doesn't at all, your voice won't matter either. So, concept number 10, offer soul. You don't need 97 features. You need one irresistible transformation. Strip away the fluff. Get to the core. What's the one result your offer guarantees? Obsession isn't built through quantity. It's built through clarity. When people are like, I have to get the thing, right? Imagine this, game night, okay? Have you ever hosted a game night with people who don't know each other? You know the awkward energy, the silence before the dice roll, okay? Now think about how quickly energy shifts when the person wins big. The room heats up, eyes widen, everybody leans in, okay? That's your brand. You don't need everyone to buy it first. You need one loud win, enough to make the rest sit up and pay attention, okay? Momentum doesn't come from a crowd. It comes from a spark. Are you that spark? Now you're probably wondering, I'm not ready yet. I need to finish my site. I just need a few more testimonials, right? The market doesn't reward readiness. It rewards boldness. Most people wait until they're perfect. They spend 5 years broke while fixing what's never needed fixing. At the Legacy Lab, we build products as you grow because momentum doesn't wait for permission. So I'm gonna give you 10 irresistible concepts to help you make clients and make them fast.